My name is Anastasia Morrison. I came from Forest City, Arkansas to be here. That's 6 hours away. What I have enjoyed most about this ceiling and backdrop class is the interaction and, you know, getting a hands-on feel on the fabrics, and it's been a great experience. I have really enjoyed the class. I have gotten my money's worth in taking this class. I have learned a lot. So if you're on the fence about taking this class, I 100% recommend this class to you. I mean, it's awesome. I hope to see you in the next class or inside the group, and thank you.